Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Superdell and I'm back with another video. Now, if you have the Fire TV Cube or you're planning on getting the Fire TV Cube, I need to show you a couple must-have accessories to make your experience better. Stay tuned after this short little clip and I'll show you what you need. Let's go. Alright guys, glad you're back. Now again, if you're familiar with the Fire TV Cube, you want the best experience, you will need some extra accessories. Now, here it is, you have an adapter that comes with the Fire TV Cube that plugs directly into the back. Alright, it plugs in the back, that way you can hardwire and plug this directly into your router or your network switch to get the best streaming experience. But again, it only has the Ethernet port. It does have another little micro or something, but like I said, you need a little bit more. And for the best experience, when you're programming these devices, whether you're selling them or you're giving away as a present, on your screen, you see a micro USB to Ethernet, as you see right there, to Ethernet with 3 USB 2.0s. All right, that will plug directly into the back of the Fire TV Cube, just like that. So you can plug in your Ethernet cord that runs directly to your router or a network switch or power line adapter. Either one. Also, the reason this is important for people who programming, you can program your Kodi, you can put APKs on this device. A lot of people use flash drives, all right? Some people call it thumb drives, some people call it flash drive. And you can plug your flash drive right in. Now, I know a couple of y'all gonna say, well, why don't you use the cloud service? Everybody do not trust the cloud service. All right, everybody do not trust the cloud service, so we got to have options. There's nothing like having your applications or your Kodi build or somebody else's Kodi build directly on a flash drive that make it easy for you to go and get it. All right, you keep everything on your flash drive, application, games, emulators, ROMs, everything. That way you can go plug it right in and go and get it. Now the second thing you need, and y'all seen me review this before, is a mini keyboard. Now this is a Q9 mini keyboard. And let me go up here right quick. Let me go up here because I know somebody is going to say, well, where's the link? I do have my own Amazon store in the description. You can click on there and you can get everything that I review. So I'm gonna go over here. Let me go back, and I'm gonna just type in Q9 mini keyboard, and you see it come up right there. You see it, and we're gonna go to it right here, $14.99. You can get this one right here for $14.99. Now I'm going to click on it. It has 7 colors. And you see one of the colors right here. I'm not going to do a full review on it. But it does have an on and off. It does charge with a micro USB charger. So if you got an Android and it's using a micro to USB, you can charge this bad boy up. But for anyone that got the Fire TV Cube and that mouse toggle, terrible. Very, very, very terrible. Like I said, I don't like it. I would rather just use this. Get you some accessories to make your experience better, y'all. You got to make your experience better. Now, yes, you're going to spend a couple dollars. Absolutely. But I'd rather for you to spend a couple dollars to make everything easier than to sit back and have to play with the remote control wherever it's at right here, and just to try to get everything working. Now I'm gonna go to the TV. I'm gonna put everything on the TV. That way you see it, and I'm gonna we'll talk a little bit more, maybe about another minute or two, and then we'll go from there. I'll let y'all go. All right, everyone. As you see, I am on the Fire TV Cube, and it's showing everything behind me too. All right. So just so y'all don't, I guess y'all can watch it. It's no biggie. But as you see, I'm using this remote control. Again, this is the Q9 MIDI keyboard. And you see me moving it. See, I'm hitting the button. Going left, right. I'm going down. I'm going up. So I'm telling you, it's a nice little accessory to have. It don't matter if it's the Q9 mini keyboard or if you got another type of keyboard. It really doesn't matter. You just want something that you can navigate with. So also, if you get online, let me show the mouse toggle. Now you can use that regular app mouse toggle. Terrible. It's terrible. So like if I go to Chrome, right? And I'm gonna just go down here. Look at the toggle. See that? You see me moving my, it's all about the experience, all right? So if you go down here, I don't want that, and I can accept right here. I can go on here and get on ESPN if I wanted to, like ESPN.com. So I can do that if you want. It's so much you can do, all right? It's a lot that you can do. It's whatever you want to go to. All right, CNN, you want to go to MSNBC, you want to go to YouTube, you can. All right, it's all about the experience. All right, let me backspace that one, and then you can just go down here and click next, and there it is. You can go right to YouTube. All right, you can go right to YouTube. So pretty good. I hope y'all like this video. If you do, subscribe to the channel. Also share the video, thumbs up the video. This is not to go against any other device. This is just a must-have accessories if you want the best experience. So I showed you two accessories that should get you going, and well, actually three with a flash drive, but set you up perfectly. If you want to get, the Fire TV Cube and you want to sell it, put your applications on a flash drive. All right, get you a micro USB, the Ethernet USB hub. All right, and also get you a keyboard. All right, this will be your real mouse toggle. All right, so if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. You want the accessories, definitely go to my Amazon store. It'll help the channel. And also, share the video. Thumbs up, subscribe, share the video. Hit that bell notification too. That way you get notified anytime I release any video on YouTube. All right, salute to y'all. Be safe, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.